Are you passionate about woodworking and looking for the best tools to enhance your craft? In this video, we'll suggest some of the woodworking tools every woodworker needs. Whether you're interested in hand tools, power tools, or specialized equipment, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1. Files. Number 2. Clamp. Number 3. Sander. Number 4. Mallet. Number 5. Jigsaw. Number 6. Router. Number 7. Chisels. Number 8. Jointer. Number 9. Caliper. Number 10. Nail gun. Number 11. Hammer. Number 12. Table saw. Number 13. Hand saw. Number 14. Band saw. Number 15. Miter saw. Number 16. Power drill. Number 17. Spirit level. Number 18. Workbench. Number 19. Screwdriver. Number 20. Hand plane. Number 21. Block plane. Number 22. Circular saw. Number 23. Tape measure. Number 24. Claw hammer. Number 25. Marking gauge. Number 26. Moisture meter. Number 27. Thickness planer. Number 28. Combination square. Number 29. Compound miter saw. Number 30. Random orbital sander. So if you're interested in learning more about essential tools, or if you're looking to upgrade your tools collection, be sure to stick around for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tools tips, reviews, and suggestions.